Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Xbox app if it is not opening on Windows 11. First, open the Settings app and go to Apps, then Installed Apps. In the search box, type Xbox. When you find it, click the three dots next to it and choose Advanced Options. Scroll down and click Terminate to completely close the app. After that, click Repair and wait for Windows to finish. If the Xbox app still does not open, click Reset. This will restore the app to its default state and can fix corrupted app data. Next, go back to the Installed Apps list and search for Gaming Services. Open its advanced options and repeat the same process. Click Terminate, then Repair, and if needed, click Reset. If the problem continues, reinstall Gaming Services. Try uninstalling it from the Installed Apps page. If the uninstall button is unavailable or grayed out, open PowerShell as administrator and run the following command. Get AppX package, Microsoft.Gaming Services vertical bar remove AppX package all users. Press enter and wait for the command to finish. Then, restart your computer. After your PC restarts, open the Microsoft Store, search for Gaming Services, and install it again. Once the installation is complete, launch the Xbox app and check if it opens normally. Thanks for watching.